is.
There's, the boa's dead.
No! Oh my god, that guy's gonna flip out. What is wrong with you guys? Who did it? Oh my god, why?
It was a mistake.
There's a mistake.
How? I reminded you 10 times!
Chris.
When working in law enforcement, you have to be aware of your actions, and well, neither of these wildlife officers knew what in the world they were doing on April 6, 2023, as they have caused more than $100,000 in damages. In Florida, it is prohibited to own certain species of snakes. According to a report of the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission, one day prior, an escaped prohibited python was found at the captive wildlife facility. The owner requested the FWC to euthanize all his non-permitted snakes on site, and this is the moment where they made a costly mistake. They are using a device which is to be used on the top of the head of the snakes. If used properly, it results in immediate loss of consciousness when the brain is hit. The officers are doing their job and getting rid of the snakes, when all of a sudden you can see the moment of realization in this officer's facial expression.
Okay. Just throw it in. Just throw it in. I feel bad, though. I mean, I feel it's a boa. But it's a rare, and it's made right now. It's like $10,000 snakes, like the babies. They're really expensive breed.
The officers realize their mistake, and one of them says the rare breed of snake is worth around $10,000, but it was pregnant, so its snakelings are worth a small fortune. The worst part is yet to come for the officers, as they have to tell the owner of the facility.
It's a mistake. So.
Yeah.
Say it how it is.
There's, the boa's dead.
The what?
The boa.
We
The
fucked.
pregnant boa.
We messed up.
No! No! Oh my god, that guy's gonna flip out. What is wrong with you guys? Who did it?
Yep. Hold on. We're shaking just like you are. Trust me.
Is there a way to maybe save the baby?
Can we save it?
Oh no, dude. This guy's gonna go bananas. Oh my god, why?
It was a mistake.
There's a mistake.
How? I reminded you 10 times!
Chris. We know.
Chris.
Oh my god,
Hey.
no, you don't
It
understand
can
what you
get,
guys
it can
just
get, it can
did.
get fixed.
You can't
The
fix
state's gonna fix it.
it. You can't
Relax.
fix it. What
It,
just
it,
happened.
it can
Relax.
get fixed.
You can't fix it. You just killed something that wasn't illegal, and it had about $100,000 worth of babies.
Hey, keep an eye on him.
Make sure.
Keep an eye on him. Thank you.
Okay.
Just keep an eye on him. Okay. He's gonna lose it. Hold on. No, he wants it alive.
Oh, you want it alive?
You don't want it alive. He just.
No, he wants to cut it or no? Does he want to cut
said
it?
You can't cut it. It ain't gonna happen. It ain't gonna work.
Hello. So there's nothing he wants to do with it. He doesn't want to try.
No, you told me make sure I save the carcass.
Okay, so
He's suing
that
the
was,
guys.
and that's it. I can't tell you. I can't give believe. I understand.
Hold on. So they want us to take it with a property receipt.
No,
No.
he ain't giving it to you. No fucking ways.
He wants
Giving you
the
this
carcass.
snake. You're out of your fucking mind. It's a boa constrictor. He lives down the street from here.
I want reimbursement for it.
We're on the phone with our supervisor.
That's a
Our supervisor's on the phone.
That's a 15-year-old snake, man.
What? Probably.
Yeah, hold on.
Probably
It's
from
not
Lex,
Chris.
yeah.
This is the owner. What's your name, sir?
My name is Bill
Bill.
McAdam.
Bill McAdams.
Hold on.
Yes.
This is John Canadian, the supervisor of Lex and John who are down there.
Yeah, they don't know what a boa constrictor looks like.
I pointed out and I explained the whole situation.
You want to do a necropsy on the snake, just to verify what was killed by accident down there.
That's a $50,000 litter that you guys killed.
I understand. And what we want to do is a necropsy on the snake to document that it's rabid and, basically see, just to document it. So we can either take it and we would send it up to the University of Florida to have a necropsy done on it and document what was inadvertently killed, or you can keep it there and we'll just document that y'all did not want to turn it over to us.
Tell you what, I'm going to judge the character, but you're the only one that seems to really care.
They're horrible.
It's kind of hypocritical to have sympathy even after euthanizing all the snakes. It's sad that the law is made up this way. In the end, it's this officer's job to enforce the law. Yet it remains ridiculous to get the wrong snake after being warned multiple times.
We didn't want to be here in the first place. Neither one of us wanted to kill any of
You can't.
It's our job. I understand,
It's a
but you got...
job. You're working for scumbags. You're working for scumbags. I'm telling you the truth. You're working for scumbags.
I work
There's
for-
nothing that these snakes are doing in Everglades is hurting anybody.
I work in conservation law enforcement. Think about what I just signed up for. I work for conservation law enforcement. So, I mean, it sucks.
And they make the rules.
They do. It's my job to enforce it. So,
Yeah, but they
Look.
change the rules when it suits them.
He
I
says
agree.
he's opened up our packages at the airport. That was his job. He walks around with the dog and opens them up. He's opened up many of our packages.
I do everything by the book. Whatever it
and
takes.
you've never met me
He called
because
he
I
called
had no
me
reason to
one-
contact
he
you.
called me
We
one
don't break
time,
the law,
said
and
you
that's
didn't
why
double
it's
bag.
fucked up.
I says, I
They
do
put
double
them in jail.
bag. He said, well, then maybe
Yeah.
you didn't double snitch.
told you guys
Well,
to ask
tell
him.
me you need
But
to
you,
double
it's
snitch
what I
for
told
me.
him. Look, before I did this, before I became captive, I did interdiction.
I've never had an escape. We've never had
I've seen your name a million times with 3 ticks in the box. I've never contacted you because I haven't had a reason to. Like I said, I feel horrible. It was an honest mistake. It happened. We owned up to it.
I'm more upset about the boa constrictor because of trying
Correct.
to make
Correct.
things back.
And I agree. Lex, I have them.
No, I mean, I showed
That
that
was-
5 fucking times that it was a boa.
He 100%.
We told him, don't touch this snake or we're all going to be in hell.
Sir, I'll tell you the same thing I told him. He did tell us. We made a mistake.
I was saying,
Obviously, if you're calling it a money snake and it has babies, but listen, that's more money. We need to be able to prove that. And
It is unclear what the consequences are of the officer's misconduct or how the situation was resolved, as there is no information available as of yet.
the state's gonna fix it.
you can't
Relax.
fix it. What just happened.
It can get
Relax.
fixed.
You can't fix it.
Click the recommended video to watch an entitled millionaire influencer face the consequences of assaulting a woman.